Hey guys, this is the Blizzard Bag, day one. Some of you had questions about the study island and how to get onto the lesson. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to studyisland.com. And now that we're at studyisland.com, you have to go to right over here, there's a login button. Let's go ahead and log in. And now we're at the login stage. You want to go ahead and you want to type in your username. Your username is your number at NACS. Your number, and then when I say at NACS, you want to do your number at NACS, and then your password. And then you want to go ahead and hit submit. So let's go ahead and hit submit. Alright, and now that you are in, you want to go ahead and hit this Blizzard Bag, open that up, and then you've got Blizzard Bag Day 1, Lab Tools and Safety. So we want to go ahead and go to that. And then the lesson for this is actually kind of a small button, but the lesson for it is right here. You want to go ahead and you'll want to tap that little lesson. And then it takes you to this this lesson. You'll want to read through this lesson, learn about all the safety topics. When you're done with that page, you go to the next page. Now you're on page 2. You read through these safety topics. When you're finished, you'll hit the close button. And then it should take you back to this page. Now, what you'll want to do is you'll need to take the test. Now, in order to take the test, you'll want to go ahead and hit this Start Studying button right here. And now you've gone and you have this area right here. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to practice mode. It's already highlighted. And you need to take 10 questions. So you've got your 10 questions, and then you'll hit next. And then you can go ahead and start taking this quiz. And then when you're done with the quiz, what you'll do is it'll give you an answer, or it'll give you your score, and you need at least a 70%. If you didn't get a 70%, try it again. It may give you some other questions, but try to get a 70%.